Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to put text over an image in Mailchimp using the built-in editor so you can create high-end studio banners and professional headers for your technical software tutorials in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open your campaign and add an image block. The first step is placing your visual anchor. In 2026, Mailchimp's candid drag-and-drop system allows you to start with a standard image and transform it into a professional graphic directly inside the builder. Log into your Mailchimp dashboard, open your email draft, and locate the image block in the content panel. Drag the image block and drop it into your email exactly where you want your studio graphic to appear. Starting with a basic image block provides the technical canvas needed to layer on your professional video titles or market analysis headlines. Next, upload your high-resolution image. Now you need to select the professional visual that will serve as the background for your text. Click Upload or Browse within the block to open your Content Studio. Choose your high-resolution image and click Insert. This is the sourcing phase. In 2026, using high-quality, candid imagery is a professional standard. Ensuring your visual is uploaded first allows the technical editor to process the file for the next layering step. Next, open the Edit tool from the flying pop-up. To move beyond a simple picture and start adding your technical studio text, you need to access Mailchimp's internal photo editor. Click directly on the image you just inserted into your email. A flying pop-up menu will appear right over the image. Click the Edit button, often represented by a pencil or text link, within that pop-up. This pop-up is the mechanical necessity to launch the advanced editing suite without leaving your 2026 campaign design, keeping your workflow professional and efficient. In the editor window that opens, look for the Text tool in the toolbar. Click it to create a new text layer. Type in your headline. Use the formatting tools to change the font, color, and size so it pops against the background. Once you are happy with the text placement, hit the Save button in the top corner of the editor window. And that's pretty much it. To put text over an image in 2026, add a standard image block to your email and upload your file. Click the image to trigger the flying pop-up, select Edit, and use the Text tool to type your headline directly over the visual. Hit Save to update the graphic with your professional studio text, making your technical software tutorials stand out in every inbox. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.